When you run other people's code from GitHub, it often pays to be able to use AI to ask questions about that code, especially if that code is not documented well. ChatGPT may be able to help with your coding if you have general questions, but when you import something from another GitHub repository and it's not playing nicely with your code, ChatGPT might not be able to give you answers, especially if it isn't familiar with that code. While others have come up with innovative solutions to this, and even created and deployed web apps, which sometimes work, I now propose a solution of my own. Here's an overview of the process. First, you git clone the repository. Second, you find the directory structure of the repo and all of the code files in it. And you take this info and lay the directory structure and the contents of all of the code files in a single string of text. Third, you prompt AI with whatever request or question and include the repo that's serialized into the string either in the body of the prompt or as an attachment. I've included a Google Colab notebook where you can do this right from within the notebook. You'll need to set up a Gemini key to use this, so please watch my video on that in the description to do that. Unlike OpenAI, Gemini has free API access, at least in the US, so it's very easy. Build a pipeline for this process in the notebook I've got also in the video description. Keep in mind this notebook is specifically for Python programs, so you might want to change this line to look for other extensions if you're querying, say, a Java program, for example, to look for the source code files and to skip any binary or irrelevant files that might be in the repo. We'll run this on the fast AI GitHub repo here and ask the AI to perform a code review on it. And here are the results of the code review as per the AI. Some of the comments about fast AI include mixing Jupyter notebooks and Python modules and lack of comprehensive testing. Now let's run this again, but on the Llama index repo. Unfortunately, it failed because the contents of the repo serialized into over 4 million tokens, and Gemini only supports 1 million tokens. But I've got another notebook you can use to just download the single text file that contains the repo's source code and upload it to ChatGPT and ask it questions. For Llama Index, it's over 15 megabytes big and takes forever for ChatGPT to process, so I've already preloaded the conversation here. As you can see, even ChatGPT here says it's too overwhelming and asks you to be more specific in your questions. Anyways, this video is meant to get you started to get the most out of this. You'll want to play around with it, especially every time you need to ask ChatGPT about someone else's code base and to ask it to write code for you using it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more content like this.